Guys, today I'll show you this phone is now MI 4A. So how to disassembling this phone? See now. At first I unplug this SIM card and memory card line. So at first I unplug this SIM card and memory card line. And safely remove SIM card and unplug this back cover. See now, this phone is touch and display broken. So open the back cover. Safely open back cover, back panel, and remove all screw. And disassembling this part, opening this sketching frame, and I opening this speaker frame, unplug this charging and microphone remote and power button remote, camera remote, and battery and back cover fully remove. Separate motherboard. And I finally remove motherboard. And safely remove battery. Wow, I do not know how to make a battery.